Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to create a zebra chrome design. First, I'm going to apply serious black on each 5 nails. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm applying my second coat. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat on the 5 nails. And cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna remove the shine of the top coat with a block. Clean the nail with the gel residue wipe-off solution to remove the dust. With a detailing brush 002, I'm gonna pick some serious black and I'm gonna make some lines. Different size, different shape. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do the same on the ring finger. It's like a zebra print effect. And cure for 30 seconds. I choose some pigments, topaz, amethyst and sapphire. With a pad, I'm gonna place the pigment on the top of the nail and scrub a little bit. I'm gonna brush the excess of the chrome. And I'm gonna seal it, the design, with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And look at that. And cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply some pink pineapple cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Until next time, au revoir!